Hi everyone, I have another Temu haul. Temu is an online store. You could go to temu.com or download their app on your phone, whichever you prefer. And if you are a new customer, you can save 30% off your first order with coupon code off4235. I'll leave it linked down below. And if you are a repeat customer, check your emails and check on their website because they do offer coupons. So just, take advantage of any savings that you can. But their stuff is incredibly affordable with or without a coupon. Their stuff is really, really great quality. There's nothing that I've received that I have not liked. So to start off, I ordered this box. Now, I didn't look at the sizing, so I thought it would be bigger. This was $10.48. So it does come with the handle. I like that it had the inside lining tray, and then it has the stuff on the bottom. So like I said, this is a lot smaller than what I thought it was going to be. And let me get my ruler. So this one measures in at like 10 inches by 7, and then it is about 6.5 tall. So not very big at all. This would be good for if you like to craft and travel. That's what I'm going to end up using this for. I thought it was going to be slightly larger, like something that I can use more for like storing, but I'm going to take that as like my travel little box for when I craft. And then let's see what else I got here. I got this die, and this is a no-go. I'm really sad. It looked really cute on their website. So you're supposed to be able to fold this up and then use this little butterfly to close your little container. But it does not lie flat at all. So I thought this would be really cute to like put like a gift card in for like a little like birthday, or if you want to send like a little happy mail. But it doesn't lie flat. Okay, let me try to line these up so that way I can show you guys. So you're supposed to be able to close it off like this, but then look, it like bubbles out. It does not lay flat. So the measurements are wrong on this. This should have been, longer, and it should have been able to lie flat and put like a gift card in, but it does not. It bubbles up because this is too short. So they needed to adjust the measurements on these, and yeah, this is a no-go for me. I don't even know what I would use this for. So that I do not recommend. And that was $3.08. So that was kind of a waste. I did find some Disney stickers, and you guys know I'm such a Disney fanatic. You get 50 pieces for $1.99, and this is all Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. So I thought that was amazing right there. Look, oh, how can you not want the poison apple? I love these so much, and these have like a matte texture. These I love. Highly recommend those. Then I got Alice in Wonderland. I did buy 2 packs of these. Let me see if I can find my other pack here. Here it is. So these were 36 pieces for $1.28. Now I am doing a Alice in Wonderland junk journal. So I got 2 of these. And I like that it has like the vintage look. I love this. This was like the main thing that I wanted. Was I loved that it had the little bottle. So in the movie, she drinks a little potion and she shrinks, and then she can eat the mushroom and she grows. So there's the drink me, there's the eat me. I love that little frame right there. So yeah, these are super cute. They're gonna work perfect. Got 2 of those. Then I got some dies. So I've been working with the Maggie Holmes round trip collection lately, and I thought this would be really nice. So these were $2.48, and they are like little postage in a die. So we have the camper, we have the airplane, we have a little globe here, we have a leaf. This like reminds me of Hawaii. I think that'd be really pretty. Have a little car. And then we have the bicycle. So I think those are going to go perfect with that Maggie Holmes collection. So happy I found those. Then we have a Disney die, which was really fun to find. Because you guys know I'm a Disney fanatic. So it has Mickey heads and Minnie bows. And then this is what they cut up. They're really tiny. These are probably like, let's see. So they're like a 1/4 inch tall. And then here is the die for the tag. So there's the tag. And then it comes with a layering piece if you want to use that. So you could definitely make this into a shaker if you wanted to. And then here are the 2 pieces. So you could use just the tag or get that layering piece. And then just go ahead and layer it up and glue that down like that. So I thought that was really cute. And that was 98 cents. Yeah, you cannot beat that. That is such a steal. I'll leave a link down below to all of these products as well, so you guys could go ahead and check them out. This one I love. I'm so happy that I bought this one. I do work with Temu. They do send me items from time to time, but this I did purchase with my own money. And this is a whole set. So it's a nesting die set with a stitched edge. And I like that it already gives the corner rounded look to it. And then you can see that stitching in there. These you could layer up as well if you wanted to do a shaker. Or if you wanted to make a frame. That's what I'm going to do with these as well. But I just wanted to cut everything out so you guys can see everything. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different pieces to that set. All really nice. And that was $1.68 for those. Let's see, what else do I have? I have this storage case. This was a 32 grid storage for $1.69. So again, my favorite storage has the double little clips right here so that you just know your stuff is all nice and secure. And then here is your 32 grids. These do not come out. These are my favorite kind. I've been obsessed with buying storage containers from them because you can find the ones that do not pull apart. That's the one I need because I go like this a lot and I don't pay attention and then end up pulling out the dividers. So I love that the grids stay in there. So you get your 32 grid here. I like that there's this long piece if you wanted to put, I was thinking about putting, what is it called? Like a spool right here of some of my chain, so that way I can just have this be like a little travel case. I could have chain, I could have beads, I can have my little bead caps, I can have rhinestone spacers. Like, I think this is gonna be really great. And then you just double clip that down so it's nice and secure there. And then there are these are metal pieces. They are 6mm 50 pieces for $2.24. And these are just metal beads. I'm going to use them as spacers. I think they would be really pretty. I like that they're a metal because you can find a lot that are, you know, like a plastic. And I didn't want that. I wanted the metal. Then I have some more stuff in here. Okay, these were a lot. I didn't pay attention. You guys know how I do. I just find things I like and I order. This is 500 tags. What am I going to do with 500 tags? I lost my mind. So for $2.88, you get these little tags. And I thought these would be really cute for junk journals. But again, I was not anticipating getting so many. So it comes with its own string already. And then it is a tiny little tag. This is not even an inch. So what is that, like? Just under an inch. So just under an inch for these. These are super cute. I definitely want to paint them, ink them, coffee dye them, see how they work. And then I think it'd be really cute just to stamp like a little love or a hello. Or, you know, just something really tiny and cute in here I think would be really nice. So I'll definitely be playing with those. I don't know if I'll ever go through all 500 of them, but hey, I can give it a shot, right? I'll just do like a whole batch of them and then that way they'll be good and ready to go. And then I can even store it in here if I wanted to. And I got this stamp set right here. I love it. I've been so obsessed with buying their postage stamps. And look at this one. It comes already framed, so that way I can go ahead and just stamp this out and make my own little postcard. So it has this gorgeous frame. It has the postcard right here. It has this little stamp. There is a post office stamp. There's like the little squiggly lines, like if it's been postmarked. This says airmail. There's some little lines right here if you want to do like a to and from part. We have different stamps down here. And then sending love, greetings from, you know, vintage mail. I love that so much. So yes, love, love, love that set. This was $1.68. Then I got this kit for $2.68. And I love that they have these little kits that you have everything you need in here. So there is some little twine right here. This comes with the little like see-through sticker. So we have some frames, and then over here we have like, look, that looks like it's already like all stitched and put together, but it's just one sticker, so it looks like it's already all layered for you. So we have these beautiful little fairies in here, and there are a ton of those stickers. And then over here we have like little labels already done. So, oh, there's all my little labels. So there's quite a bit of little labels in here. And then there are like these tags. So there's a few of those. And then in the very back, you have your paper. So you get a whole variety of different paper. So I love this. I love that it is a kit from start to finish, everything you need. You have your papers, you have little tags, you have frames, you have stickers, you have labels, you have everything you absolutely need to do like a quick little project for $2.68. Love that. Definitely want to get more of those. And we have, I got some charms. Here we go. So we got these bird charms. Again, I thought these would be really nice for my Maggie homes. Now, I'm not huge on pink, but a lot of ladies are. So I got the pink ones to send out in swaps, and then I got the blue more so for myself because I would use this for whatever I'm working on. So I got one of each of those. These are 10 pieces for $1.88. Then there was this in there that I don't think I ordered, and I don't think I'm missing anything from my order, but I was like, okay, so that was new. Has anybody else ever received like a little gift in there, or was your order just, you know, wrong? I have no idea. So I thought I double checked my order and everything was here, so don't know where that came from. Then again, for my Maggie homes, I ordered some little swan charms because I didn't have any, and these are 10 pieces for $1.07. Super, super cute. I cannot wait to get back to working on that. Then I got these scissors. So these scissors are huge. I was not expecting them to be this big. It came in this little bubble mailer. So look at these things. These things are very, very huge. These are about 9 inches in total from handle to the tips right here. And I just realized that they were scruffed up. I don't know. I don't think I did that by having it in the bag, but that's okay. And let me get a piece of paper right here. Look, let's do this one. So these were two. Ooh, that cuts really nice. I thought these were going to be cool for like tickets or for postage stamps. Ooh, I like how that cuts. So they're like very heavy duty. I guess you're supposed to be using these for fabrics. If I remember correctly, they were advertised as like fabric scissors. Try to line that up. Oh yeah, look at that. So yeah, I think this is gonna be really nice for like stamps. Do I have fabric here? I do. Let's try it on fabric. Oh yeah, that cuts no problem. Look at that. Ooh, I like these. So they had different styles. They had these where, you know, the teeth are like little mountains, and then they had some round ones, and then they had different sizes as well. And I don't think this says, oh, okay, so this was called Triangle 5mm. So there was round, and then there was 5mm and 3mm. So these are the bigger set. So I think I'm gonna go get the other ones as well that are smaller. And this was $6.98. I think that's well worth it because look, it cut through my fabric no problem. It cut through my paper no problem. They do have some weight to them though, and they are a lot longer than what I thought they're going to be. But yeah, I recommend these. I think those are really nice, really good quality on those. And then I think this is my last item that I got were some beads for my Alice in Wonderland junk journal. So I found these little playing cards. Now the beads do go through the side, so it's not a vertical, you know, the hole's not vertical, it is horizontal. So yeah, my little cards are going to be basically sideways if I were to put it on a head pin. So I'm going to have to work with those and figure out what I want to do. I might just see if I can put an ice screw through the top and then have it be vertical the way I want them to. But I don't know if I'm going to crack and damage them because they are like a clay bead. So I need to play with that. Or maybe they'll just have to be, you know, like on my cover as, you know, decoration. So I got them because you get 50 pieces for $1.79. I didn't think that was bad at all. And like I said, I could play around with them and see how well I can get that to work for what I need it to. And that was my last item there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I'll leave a link down below to all of these products. I'll leave a link to that coupon code. And if you guys ever have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. All right, bye guys.